Welcome to Prismatic Souls Palladian, where we seek to leverage AI generation to create neutral, unbiased knowledge to spark civil discourse. Please like, subscribe, and comment so we can reach more people. Thank you for your consideration. And now we delve into today's topic. At the heart of our financial world stand three dominant players: Bitcoin, hard currency, and gold. Bitcoin, the new kid on the block, is a digital or virtual currency. It's like an online version of cash, but unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, meaning no single institution controls the Bitcoin network. On the other hand, we have hard currency, the physical money we're all familiar with. It's tangible, printed by governments, and used for transactions around the globe. Then there's gold. This precious metal has been valued by societies for thousands of years. It's durable, malleable, and has been used as a universal symbol of wealth since time immemorial. Now that we know what Bitcoin, hard currency, and gold are, let's dive deeper into their similarities and differences. Understanding the differences and similarities between Bitcoin, hard currency, and gold can help us make informed decisions about their use and investment potential. Let's begin with tangibility. Gold and hard currency, like your dollars or euros, are physical entities. You can touch them, feel their weight, and store them in a physical space. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is entirely digital. It exists in the form of data on a network of computers, making it intangible. Now let's move on to how their values are determined. The value of hard currencies is largely influenced by government policies and the economy's overall health. Gold, a precious metal, derives its value from its rarity and demand in industries like jewelry and electronics. Bitcoin, however, is a different beast. Its value is primarily driven by supply and demand dynamics in the marketplace, with no government or institution controlling its value. Scarcity is another key aspect to consider. There's a finite amount of gold available on Earth. Similarly, the total number of bitcoins that will ever exist is capped at 21 million, a limit set by its creator. Hard currency, in contrast, can be printed by governments, potentially leading to inflation. Finally, let's discuss decentralization. Bitcoin is the poster child for a decentralized system, operating on a blockchain network maintained by users worldwide. No single entity, like a central bank, has control over it. Hard currency, on the other hand, is regulated by central banks and governments. Gold, while not controlled by a single entity, is impacted by decisions of large financial institutions and governments. However, it's important to note that each of these assets responds differently to market fluctuations. Hard currency and gold have historically been seen as safe havens during economic downturns, while Bitcoin, with its relatively short history and high volatility, is often viewed as a riskier investment. As we can see, Bitcoin, hard currency, and gold each have their unique traits and offer different advantages and disadvantages. Now, let's summarize the key points we've discussed about Bitcoin, hard currency, and gold. Bitcoin, being a digital currency, offers unique advantages like global accessibility, potential for high returns, and anonymity. However, its volatility and lack of regulation could be challenging. Hard currency, on the other hand, is widely accepted and regulated, yet its physical nature can make it less convenient and vulnerable to theft or loss. Gold, being a tangible asset, holds intrinsic value and has been a trusted store of value for centuries. Yet it's not as liquid or easily transferable as the other two. What's important to note here is that each of these forms of currency or investment carry their own unique characteristics, benefits, and risks. Your choice should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. Remember, understanding these aspects can help you make informed decisions about whether to use or invest in Bitcoin, hard currency, or gold. Thank you for joining us today on Prismatic Souls Palladian. We hope you found this information helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to help us reach more people with unbiased knowledge. Stay curious and stay informed.